Packing just a personal item backpack for a long weekend getaway on a budget airline is a lot easier than you think. And I'm going to show you how to do it with the brand new BAGSMART 25-liter Soar. The Soar backpack comes in at 26 centimeters by 23 centimeters by 43 centimeters for a total capacity of 25 liters. And the bag weighs just 0.55 kilograms. The bag is made with a water-resistant lightweight nylon, and it features an included detachable toiletry bag. It comes in 4 different colorways, including the gray that you see here. This entry-level travel bag is going to be the perfect size for effortless travel, as it's going to fit underneath the seat in front of you while you're flying. The budget-friendly Soar 25-liter backpack is going to run you $60 US. The Soar backpack features buckle compression straps on each side, 2 front quick access pockets, a water bottle pocket on each side. There's going to be a handle on the top, and a luggage pass-through on the back. There's a nicely padded back panel, along with some thin, but pretty decently comfortable shoulder straps for the affordable price of this bag. There's some dangle stoppers for excess straps. You're also going to find a dedicated laptop compartment, which has a padded bottom to protect your computer. Then you have the main compartment, which opens clamshell style. In here, you're going to find the detachable toiletries bag, as well as 2 pockets on the back panel, and 1 front mesh pocket. Now, let's pack this thing up for a long weekend trip to see exactly what we can fit inside. And remember, everyone packs differently, so be sure to envision what you would bring along as I pack this thing out. So now let's see what the final weight of the bag is going to be for this trip and see if we successfully packed under that 7 kilogram limit. And there you go, another successful pack. So what do you think of the Soar 25-liter backpack from BAGSMART? I honestly think this is a really great budget-friendly option for personal item-only travel. And with that included toiletry bag, you've got everything you need for a quick weekend trip where you won't need to break the bank checking a bag. But let me know what you think in the comments below. I want to discuss this one. As always, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Here's what's on my turntable this week.